like to show you how to install the adhesive hook strip. This is the window right next to the door in the 1950 Cruiser. Just pull the plastic backing off of the adhesive strip, attach to the very top of the metal frame. Make sure that it's really straight and press down, and then use the back of scissors or a spoon to make sure that you get all the air bubbles out, especially where the screws are. And press down. Installing the curtain literally takes seconds. Just attach onto the adhesive hook strip that you already put up and press down. The beauty of these windows is they do have these knobs on the Airstreams, but that's one of the advantages of the Dani Designs Co curtain is it's able to just go right in front of those. The other thing that the curtains have are these adhesive tabs that can be attached to the frame. Right where you can see the tab on the back of the curtain, attach the tab onto the metal frame and press down. There's one on this top corner, on the very bottom. Same thing. See where it hits the frame and attach the tab to the metal frame. And that holds it down tight against the wall. The Dani Designs Co curtains literally only take a couple of seconds to fold. I like to start at the bottom and just fold up, attach right here underneath the valance, and you can see that this instantly gives you access to the knobs on the Airstream.